Hello, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up a CTrader account on IC Markets. So first of all, go to icmarkets.com. Then I want you to click on Start Trading. Click Continue. And scroll up to here where it says Demo Account. Click Continue. And then all you need to do is put in your first name, last name, and email and mobile number. Once you've filled in that information, click Submit. It'll take about 30 seconds for this process. And it'll take you onto the next screen, which then you just create, as always, like you're signing up to an email and password so that you can log in to your client login. Once you've done that, you will receive an email confirmation of your account being opened, your demo login, and then you go on client login and it'll look a little bit like this. And you click on accounts, click on on demo accounts, and click on CTrader, open new account. Here you'll have raw spreads, the only option. Select your currency. In this case I'll do GBP, just to represent the currency I would be trading on a live real market account, a real account on the markets. And leverage, keep it at 1 to 500, and in this case we'll deposit 5,000. Click proceed, and at the bottom here it says your account was successfully created. Now you can only create about 20 accounts per platform, so 20 MT5, 20 MT4, and 20 CTrader, I believe. So there is a limit, but you can just sign up with multiple emails, so that's absolutely fine. So what I want you to do now is you're going to refresh the list. There should be a second one. You see that there? Just go to your email inbox, and a trading account has been opened. And you can see there's my CTrader demo account details, and my account details are right there. If you follow the instructions about CTrader, you then log into the CTrader platform using username and password, and then you can start trading. Happy trading, and thanks for watching.